Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Ramsterkin. Today, we're diving into something a little different but super exciting, the City Slicker electric motorcycle. If you've ever thought about zipping through city streets on a bike that's eco-friendly, affordable, and just plain cool, you're going to want to stick around for this one. What is the City Slicker? So, what exactly is the City Slicker? The City Slicker is an electric motorcycle designed for urban commuting. It's lightweight, compact, and most importantly runs entirely on electricity. This means zero emissions, super low running costs, and a ride that's almost completely silent. It's made by CSC Motorcycles, a company that's been making waves in the affordable electric bike market. Design and build quality. Let's talk about the design. The City Slicker looks a lot like a small sport bike, with a sleek, modern frame and aggressive styling. It's not a scooter, it's got real motorcycle vibes, but in a much more manageable size. The build quality is impressive for the price. You get a sturdy steel frame, disc brakes front and rear, and LED lighting all around. The seat height is low, making it accessible for new riders or anyone who wants to feel confident at stoplights. Performance and range. Now, onto performance. The City Slicker is powered by a 1.6 kilowatts electric motor, which may not sound like much, but it's perfect for city speeds. You can expect a top speed of around 46 miles per hour, about 74 kilometers per hour, which is more than enough for urban commuting and short highway stretches. The battery is a removable 2 kWh lithium-ion pack. On a full charge, you're looking at a real-world range of about 30 to 40 miles, depending on how aggressively you ride in the terrain. Charging is simple, just plug it into any standard wall outlet, and you'll have a full battery in about 6 to 8 hours. Riding experience. What's it like to ride? The City Slicker is nimble and super easy to handle. The instant torque from the electric motor means you get quick acceleration from a stop, which is great for darting through traffic. Because it's so lightweight, just over 200 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, park, and even carry up a few steps if you need to. There's no clutch, no gears, just twist the throttle and go. That makes it perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a hassle-free ride. Cost and maintenance. One of the biggest selling points is the price. The City Slicker is much more affordable than most electric motorcycles out there. Plus, with fewer moving parts, maintenance is minimal, no oil changes, no exhaust issues, and brakes and tires are about all you'll need to worry about. Running costs are super low. Charging the battery costs just pennies, and you'll never have to stop for gas again. Who is it for? So, who should consider the City Slicker? City commuters who want a green, cost-effective alternative to cars or public transport. Students or anyone looking for a first bike. Riders who want a second, fun vehicle for short trips around town. It's not meant for long highway journeys or off-road adventures, but for city life, it's hard to beat. Final thoughts and shout out. To wrap it up, the City Slicker electric motorcycle is a fantastic option if you want to go electric without breaking the bank. It's stylish, practical, and a whole lot of fun to ride. If you've got questions about the City Slicker or want to see a comparison with other electric bikes, drop a comment below. I always love hearing what you think. And hey, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Ramsterkin, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.